So how much scholarship have you received from
I got 80%.
Oh wow! Last minute application and you receive 80%. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is Urshita. She's one of the students who is going to join a Japanese university very soon. I have here so that she can talk to you firsthand. You can hear from her why she chose Japan as her choice of destination and what her plans are about studying in Japan. So welcome Urshita, welcome to
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome to Education Japan.
Thank you, ma'am.
A very warm welcome to you. So Urshita, why Japan? You know, whenever we speak to students, you know the story.
Yes,
Japan, nobody is very familiar about,
ma'am.
right? So what is it that encouraged you to apply to Japan?
First of all, I really love the country Japan, and because like of their pop culture and also their anime culture. But what made me interested in Japan is that it is considered to be one of the safest country, and plus I'm an undergrad student, so my parents, they are obviously fussing over my safety and everything. So I think if I go to study abroad and if it's like a country like Japan, it'll be easier for them to let go of me, and they'll be in a safe peace of mind state that like, okay, my daughter is fine, she's safe. Plus Japan also provides a lot of different cultural background and also a lot of things and opportunities that India might not be able to provide to every student.
So Urshita, I'm hearing a lot of reasons why you chose Japan.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first being safety,
Yes, ma'am.
it's pop culture, and also you said that opportunities,
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
more opportunities. So when did it occur to you? How did it occur to you that Japan can be one of the places you can explore for education?
Actually, my plan was very last minute. Honestly,
Really?
yes. Like
Okay.
before my class 12 boards, I was actually pretty lost. I did not know where to go, what to do after boards. And then I was like a bit scared and skeptical about my own situation. But then one of my seniors from my own school, she came to me and she actually gave me a speech, like a presentation on this university named APU in Japan. So I was pretty interested, and the main thing which interested me is the place, the diversity, and also the staff, the faculty, and the courses. It was really pretty nice to know about that. I could have something that I love and I can learn about it in future.
Oh, brilliant. So you basically, your senior inspired you to
Yes,
apply
ma'am.
to APU.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great, great. So how long ago was this? When you were in 12th?
Yes, like around in September.
Okay, so great, you know, it was
ma'am.
at the right
At the right moment, yes,
and time
exactly.
that you came to know about
I
it.
became lucky.
Yeah, this is really lucky. You
True,
know.
true.
All right, so that's great. So you said diversity is
Yes,
what attracted you to apply. Okay, so Urshita, you were talking about your parents' comfort. So are they okay letting you go to Japan all alone? You are 18,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
guessing.
Yes, I'm 18. But like at first, my mom was like about the situation. She did not know how to respond to my persuasion about going to Japan. But like my dad said, it's fine. Just apply first. We
Right.
don't have to go like there right now. And after applying, I got through. I got the admission. I got a scholarship, which is the reason why I think they are in a state of mind that like our daughter can do it.
So how much scholarship have you received from
I
it?
got 80%.
Oh wow! Last minute application and you receive 80%. Okay, to our viewers, I must tell you that Urshita is extremely talented, and I'm sure she did very well in her application too. But if you are aiming for scholarships, my suggestion would still be to apply sooner, to prepare before you apply.
Yes, true.
Right, to be prepared.
That is very true, because like in last minute researches, I got some of my things wrong. which is like not quite feasible for you when you're going through a college application.
That's right, that's right. Okay. So, Urshita, which course have you applied for?
I have applied for Culture, Society and Media.
Okay, that's brilliant. So, what is it about this course that you like and you thought you want to pursue it from abroad?
Actually, to be honest, since I was a child, I was really interested in different cultures of people and also languages.
Okay.
So, naturally, I was interested in media studies, mass communication.
Right.
But then when I got to know about this subject, it covers most of my likings, which is like culture, society and also media.
Yeah.
It gives a broad aspect on what I can work on in future, and also it gives a lot of opportunities for me to find out what I want to actually do in future. So I thought maybe this was the right option to go for.
Brilliant, brilliant. So, Urshita, any career that you have in mind for yourself?
Actually, I want to apply to UN.
UN? Oh wow! You know that APU has a few alumni
Yes,
who are working
yes.
in the UN.
I
Okay,
know.
great, great, great. So Urshita, when are you flying to Japan?
I am flying on 16th September.
Okay.
This September.
Okay, brilliant. Excited? All
Oh,
geared up?
Very. I already bought my suitcases.
Brilliant. So Urshita, you want to say anything about the support that you received from Education Japan
Actually-
during your application, before your application, and even
After.
once you were enrolled?
Yes, actually a lot, honestly, because I still remember the first time I called Dipti ma'am up and I was like, excuse me, I don't know, but like, are you Dipti Singh? I was very, very scared for sure, but then you guys helped me you guys made me confident to go through my application, and also you guys helped me in every step, honestly, because it was very confusing. It is confusing in college applications to what to give and what not to give. So I think that is a very big support. And also after applications are done, after I got through, there is a lot of processes that has
That's
to
right.
yeah, and also for visa processes and everything.
Yeah.
Like getting the schedules from you guys have been like a God's gift.
Thank
And
you,
that's
thank
what
you,
that's
Urshita.
what.
Really glad that we could help you.
No, seriously, it played a very big part in my college application.
Thank you, Urshita. Any message that you're from Assam?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
forgot to mention earlier, but you're from Assam.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
school are you from?
I am from Royal Global School,
Right.
RGS.
So, any message that you want to give to students in Northeast as well as other Indian students who probably are considering to apply to Japan but are hesitant for maybe many reasons?
True.
Any message that you want to share with them?
Actually, if you want to go, just apply. I mean, you don't have to think about what will happen if I'll get through or not, but just apply, just try and give it a shot, because everyone deserves a chance, and if you get through, then congratulations, you got through.
Yeah, see what happened with Urshita. She's on 80% scholarship and she's going to one of the finest universities in Japan.
Thank you
So
so much.
really happy
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
you, Urshita. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So I hope we will be conducting one more follow-up interview after you go to Japan.
Sure, for
maybe
sure.
after a year or two that you have
For
stayed
sure,
in
ma'am.
Japan.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you.